I'm telling you right now, we do this every day. Every day we do this. We come in and we come out. You want to get somewhere in life? You want to change something? You want to change your family tree just like I did? You know what you got to do? You know what you got to do? You got to work for it. That's what you got to do. I don't want to hear no excuses about why you can't do something. You want to save money? Stop spending it. All right? You want to make more? Work harder. Especially for them dudes out there single, no kids, no wife, no responsibilities. You ain't got no excuse to be broke. None. None. Nothing you can tell me. Nothing that you can tell me right here and right now. No excuse for why you broke. I don't want to hear nothing talking about, oh, well, I got this extenuating circum. No. No. Stop spending your money. Save it until you got enough to get out on your own, to get what you need, to start making a good living for yourself. I'm tired of it. Everybody is tired of it. I'm tired of the excuses. Stop making them. Get to the point. Make it happen. That's it. That's the video. I know you wanted more, but guess what? This is what you need to hear. Quit acting like a pussy and make something happen.